הנה סבתא. יש לך עוד אחד.
The one's coming back. The other one's coming back. Yay. Wow, they're so small. Wow. Look at the other one on the other side.
Whoa, whoa.
There's two next to each other. They have to stop. Look, now they had to stop on the other side. You know why? Because they have to stop when they're next to each other. Let's see which one's going to go first.
זה מעבב.
בוקר טוב לכולם, בשעה 10:30 תצא הדרכה של התערוכה מהכניסה.
Look at the cars.
Eden, Levi.
Levi, look at Saba.
וואי, זה היה...
When you get bigger, you also want to make that? Yeah, a lot of fun to design and make pictures and play with them. They made a whole city.
עוד רכיב.
That green one, isn't it? Like a van and an ambulance.
היי, אייל, בוא תראה מה אני רואה פה. תסתכל על הבית הזה. מה קורה פה? יש פה שריפה, וסמי הכבאי בא לכבות את זה עם הרבה מכוניות של מכבי אש. אתם רואים אותו?
Every time the train comes, the gate closes. Do you know why?
Because it needs to open.
No, yeah, you need to open the gate.
It opens.
Now watch it open.
I hear ambulance.
Open. Yeah, me too. Wow, here's another one coming. Now there's a lot of trains coming out of that place.
Look at the
I want to pick you up to show you something.
של מכונית קטנה. אבל מאוד מצליח.